Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. Today we are going to discuss job satisfaction and job rotation. So let's discuss job satisfaction first. Job satisfaction is an important factor that influences how people feel about their work. When employees are satisfied with their jobs, they tend to be more motivated, productive, and loyal to their companies. So, what exactly contributes to job satisfaction? It includes things like reasonable wages, good working conditions, recognition, and opportunities for advancement. For instance, a restaurant that rewards its staff with bonuses or Employees of the Month awards can boost their satisfaction. Similarly, companies like Google are known for providing a great work environment with comfortable offices, flexible hours, and perks, which help employees feel happy and valued. On the other hand, workers who feel underpaid, overworked, and overvalued may experience low job satisfaction, leading to high absence rates or even quitting. It's also important to note that job satisfaction is not only about money. Factors like feeling part of a team, having meaningful work, and receiving positive feedback can strongly impact how satisfied someone feels. For businesses, understanding what motivates their workers and creating a positive environment is crucial. This not only keeps employees happy but also benefits the company through better performance and customer service. Now let's talk about job rotation. Job rotation is a strategy where employees are moved between jobs or tasks within an organization. This approach helps employees develop new skills, reduce boredom, and increase their understanding of how parts of the business work. For example, in a manufacturing company, a worker might start on the assembly line, then move to quality control, and later try roles in inventory management. This not only helps workers stay engaged and motivated, but also prepares them for higher positions because they gain a wider range of experience. Companies like Sony use job rotation to ensure their staff can handle various roles, which can also be beneficial in times of absence or during staff shortages. Job rotation can also improve teamwork as employees better understand each other's roles, fostering collaboration. It's especially useful in training new employees because they learn multiple skills more quickly. However, to be effective, job rotation needs to be well planned so that movements between jobs are structured and relevant. Overall, job rotation benefit both employees and the organization by making work more interesting, encouraging continuous learning, and creating a flexible workforce ready to adapt of different tasks. In conclusion, both job satisfaction and job rotation play key roles in motivating employees, improving morale, and fostering a more engaged and productive workforce. So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.